Hi everyone, and welcome to Wildix Collaboration Tutorials. In this video, we'll talk about call forwarding rules. Sometimes we want our incoming calls to be treated in a different way based on our current user status or based on a call class, whether it is an internal call coming from a colleague or an external call coming from trunk from a customer. In one of our previous videos, we already talked about the mobility feature and mobility confirmation. Today we go back to Collaboration Settings Features menu to explore other settings available here for managing incoming calls. In this menu we can work on our call forwarding rules. Call forward busy. Busy means busy on the phone. When I'm busy, I can still receive new calls in case the option call waiting is enabled right here. So call waiting means the ability to receive more than one call at a time. Still, when I'm busy, it makes sense to enable call forwarding either to a different phone number, a colleague, voicemail. Call forward no answer. This condition is applied if I do not answer a call within a specified timeout. There is a global timeout set up for the whole system, but I can specify my own timeout here in the field called timeout. I have 20 seconds here, so in case I do not answer a call within 20 seconds, then the rule specified for call forward no answer is applied. So again, we can specify a different phone number here, colleague, voicemail. Call forward all. This is unconditional call forwarding. It will forward all calls to a specific phone number, colleague or voicemail. The behavior which we set up in the first tab, internal, in the first column, is applied for all the incoming calls unless other call classes are activated in the Features menu. What if I want to simply reject all calls when I'm in Do Not Disturb status? What if I want to specify a different timeout, call timeout, a shorter one, when I'm in Away status? It's possible. Check the option Activate class on the Do Not Disturb and Away, and then set up your call forwarding rules. Not only can we specify a different behavior based on our current user status, but we can treat calls in a different way depending on whether it is a call coming from a colleague or from a trunk. Say I want a different ringtone for external calls so that I know right away, I can hear right away whether it is a call coming from a colleague or a call coming from a customer. I can set it up here as well. Open the tab External and then check off Activate class. Once we enable External call class here, the rules set up here will be applied for all the external calls, while the rules set up in the first step will only be applied for internal calls. By the way, differentiated ringtones selected in Collaboration are not currently applied to some of the Wildix devices, so on certain devices such as WAR handsets, Vision and Supervision phones, you need to do it directly on the device. Additionally, we have whitelist and blacklist call classes that you can activate and specify different behavior for each of them if you want. Whitelist and blacklist does not have any positive or negative connotation. These are labels that are assigned to certain contacts in the phone books or to certain callers via the dial plan by your system administrator. That's it for today. Thank you for watching our videos. Don't hesitate to leave a comment in case you have any question or feedback. Thank you for watching and see you next time.